Hey, yo, it's Lee. Okay, so today I will show you the Travis Scott type vocals, vocal chain, all the sauce, all the good shit, guys. Like, it's crazy. I'm telling you, it's crazy, guys. So, I will show you in FL Studio. I can use like fucking like Pro Tools too, like Cubase. I have all that. Yeah, I can show you in Pro Tools. Here I have Pro Tools, I have Cubase too. But I feel like a lot of people are using like FL Studio because it's fucking easy to crack and it's an easy program, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's great. That's all you need. It's great. So I will show you first the dry vocals. Then I show you the process vocals because it's crazy. The dry vocals are so bad, guys. Like, it's crazy. You can't imagine, bro. Like, they are so bad. I think they were recorded in a fucking phone, in some iPhone or some cheap ass microphone, bro. Like, that bad. I'm telling you. But you will see. Like, it's crazy. Then I will show you the process vocals so you get an idea where I started and stuff. But I think it came out pretty good and stuff. So you will see. You will be the judge, and let's hop in FL and let's see the vocals, guys. Okay, so let me just show you the dry vocals.
Lucas.
Lately, I've been ignoring all my problems, chiefing, ooh la la la, smoking on that ganja. I'm on the moon like Sinatra, sleeping inside of my car, bruh. Bet that I'm good for a car fuck. White bitches love me like Starbucks. Little do they know I got nowhere to go. I lost myself on the.
Okay, so that was the dry vocals, as you can hear. It's crazy, like crazy. So now I will show you the process vocals and what I did. I like show you the plugins, but I can do like a tutorial, separate video on how to make this work like 100%. Like, I can show you all the things I did. It's not so hard, but you just need to know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's go. It's lit. You know what I mean? Okay, so now I will show you the process vocals. Let me just turn on these effects and shit. Okay. So yeah, I have the vocal chain right here. You can see, and this link to this, and this goes to fucking reverbs and shit, like phasers and fucking doublers, and I have the meta flanger with like fucking -4. Yeah, so let's hear what it sounds like.
Lucas.
Lately, I've been ignoring all my problems, chiefing, ooh la la la, smoking.
Okay, guys. So now I show you my favorite part. I think it sounds really good. It's crazy, guys. But you be the judge. So let's hear it.
Have me a bitch, I can take it. Affordable sticky baby. Have me a bitch, I can stick it. I won't die in your city. Yeah, I'm hard.
Trouble was money, I had me in bed. Trouble was money, I had me in bed. Trouble was money, I stacked to the ceiling. All time low, it's me on go.
Okay, guys. So please ignore that real sounds, you know what I'm saying? My CPU is killing me. I don't know what the fuck. Like here was a little bit of sounds, you know what I'm saying? Like that. Bro, it's because of my CPU, like it's crazy. But only when I'm recording, guys. Like I need to figure this shit out. Like how how should I record and stuff. But I can fix that. It's easy, no problem. But I need a little time, you know what I'm saying? But I think the mix sounds great. You know, the mix is really great. Here is my vocal chain. Like you can see right here. Here is all my vocal chain stuff. Now I have this the lead vocal. The lead vocal goes into here, you know. Then this goes to fucking reverbs and shit like doubler, you know what I'm saying? Doubler, haze reverb, you know what I'm saying? The vocal chain is like crazy, like auto tune, you know, the NS1, the SSL channel, the compressor, the DSL. But always, guys, always remember this. On a fucking DSL, put not this. This is bad, bro. It sounds bad. I don't know why, but this sounds good, bro. This sounds bad. I don't know why the fuck, but this sounds better. We have another comp, doubler, then ozone imager just to give him like this stereo wideness stuff. We have API 500B, the stereo version. We have a vitamin. We have a Q10, just EQing a little bit out. Like we have a C6, not doing too much, just a little bit of compression stuff. Then we have the sound shift. It's a pitch shifter, sound shifter stuff. Then we have an airvox, and like that's the lead vocal stuff. On the beat we have just a vitamin, and I wanted to put on ozone 9 rebalance stuff, but it's optional, guys. If you want the bass to hit harder, you boost the bass. If you want the bass hit lower or the drums hit lower, you just go to minus. Or the vocals to stand out, you just drag like fucking like 2 or 3 dB. You know what I'm saying? Like that's it. But I don't mess with this anymore. Like I could turn this shit on, but one thing, it will blow my CPU like crazy, and it will boost my CPU like to 100, 200, guys, and it will crash and stuff because of the recording, you know. I need to figure this shit out. On the master, we have like a vitamin, a compressor, and FET filter just limiting, and the meters, you know what I'm saying, just to get that nice smooth stuff. We have vintage. It's crazy, guys. It's fucking crazy. We have the Valhalla reverb. This is my favorite reverb, guys. Like it sounds so fucking good on anything, guys. This is my favorite fucking reverb, guys. It sounds good on anything, guys. For real. And that's it, guys. That's the vocal chain. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, just fucking subscribe, guys. It's free, you know what I'm saying? And I can make for you templates and stuff. Just like the video, leave a comment. And if you know how can I fix my CPU stuff when I'm recording, just let me know, guys, because it's crazy. Like, yeah, just help me and I help you, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in another video, guys. Peace. It's lit.
Lucas.
Lately, I've been ignoring all my problems. Chiefing, ooh la la la, smoking.
the ceiling. All time low, it's me on the go. Chill no dough, sleeping in a coupon. Four loco, it's me so loco. Tryna get drunk, not broke. Next morning, pop ibuprofen just to get me going. Lonely, but not show me 'cause I'm lonely. She the only one that know me. I told her what I could do if I live my life twice. Put in dream shit with some bitches I piped. Fuck the rapping 'cause the shit isn't right. Trouble I've been through changed me to a whole different person. Love is just verbiage, it feels like a burden. I'm too busy working on all of my verses. Trouble was money, then it might be working. Maybe I could pay my cellular service. Sleep in my car 'cause it needs to be serviced. I got an office addicted to working. Trouble was money, then every day's payday. I'd have more instruments and I'd have less graded. No one dancing to my songs like the Nene. This a call to help, I'm screaming out mayday. Maybe I'm lazy or maybe I'm crazy. Storm in my head is destructive like Haiti. Put on the gas and the dash above 80. I learned to struggle at every level, so I never settle. Temptation found me is really the devil, but I put the pedal to metal before I put metal. I'm inside my mental. I'm drinking on replay.